Hello students, welcome back to the next session on data handling. In previous video, we had completed exercise 3.1 which is fully based on two important concepts, that is arithmetic mean and range. So arithmetic mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations, and range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. So these two formulas we had applied in exercise 3.1. Now we can start from exercise 3.2. In exercise 3.2, we are going to use two new concepts. The first concept is median. Median is the middle number when the numbers are put in order. Suppose if we are given an observation of numbers, median is the middle of the observation. For finding a median, firstly the data of observations should be arranged in an ascending order. After arranging the observations in an ascending order, we have to count the number of observations and it will be represented as n. If n is odd, which means if the number of observations is odd, means we have to use the formula median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation, where n denotes the number of observation. If n is even, means median is equal to n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. In exercise 3.2, we will mostly use the formula for n is odd. Next concept, mode. Mode is the number that occurs most often. In a given data of numbers, the highest repetitive number is called a mode. For example, here we are given a data of numbers. In this, 56 occurs for 3 times repetitively. So that the mode of this data is 56. So mode can be one number or more than one numbers. So mode will be always one among the given data of numbers. Based on these two concepts, that is median and mode, we are going to solve exercise 3.2. Question number 1. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows: 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, 20. Find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? So in this question we are given a data of numbers. From this data we have to find the mode and median, and also we have to check whether the mode and median are same or not. Solution. Here we are given data of numbers. Firstly we are arranging the given data in an increasing order, and we got 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25, 25. Now we are finding the mode. Mode means the highest repetitive numbers in a given data. Here 20 occurs for 4 times and 25 occurs for 2 times. In this, 20 occurs for 4 times is the highest, so that mode is equal to 20. Next we have to find the median. So that we had arranged the given data in an ascending order, and the number of observations is 15, which means n is equal to 15, which is odd. So that we are using the formula median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term, which is equal to 15 plus 1 by 2, that is 16 by 2, which is equal to 8th term. Now 8th term is the median. Here in an ascending order of data, the 8th term is 20, therefore median is equal to 20. Already we had found that mode, which is also equal to 20, so that median and mode both are same. Question number 2. The run scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. Find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? So in this question we are given a data and we have to find the mean, median and mode, and we have to check whether all the three are same or not. Solution. Here are the given data. Firstly we are finding the mean. So mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Here it is sum of all the numbers divided by number of terms. So sum of all the numbers is equal to 6 plus 15 plus 120 plus 50 plus 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 whole divided by 11, which is equal to 429 divided by 11, which is equal to 39. Therefore, the mean of the given data is 39. Next, we are finding the mode and the median. For that, firstly, we are arranging the given data in an increasing order, and we got 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100, 120. Here 15 occurs for 3 times, so that the mode of a given data is 15. Next, for finding median, the number of observations of a given data is 11, so that n is equal to 11, which is odd. So that median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term, that is 11 plus 1 by 2th term, which is equal to 6th term. So in an ascending order, the 6th term is 15. So that the median of a given data is 15. And finally, we have to check whether the mean, median and mode are same or not. Here we found mean is equal to 39 and mode is equal to 15 and median is equal to 15. So that all the three values are not same. Question number 3. The weights in kg of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. First subdivision, find the mode and median of this data. Second subdivision, is there more than one mode? Solution. Firstly, we are arranging the given data in an increasing order, and we got 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38, 40, 42, 43, 43, 43, 45, 47, 50. In this, 38 occurs for 3 times. Also, 43 occurs for 3 times. Therefore, the mode values are 38 and 43. As I said before, mode may be any one number or more than one numbers. So here mode are 2 numbers, that is 38 and 43. Next we have to find the median. Here we are arranged in an ascending order and the number of observations is 15, that is n is equal to 15, which is odd. So that median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term, that is 15 plus 1 by 2th term, that is 8th term. Here in an ascending order, the 8th term is 40. Therefore, the median value is 40. Thus, mode values are 38 and 43 and median value is 40. In second subdivision, we are asked that whether mode has 2 values. The solution is yes. The given data has 2 modes, that is 38 and 43. Question number 4 is homework. At last I will attach the homework question. Now question number 5, which is the last question of this exercise 3.2. Tell whether the statement is true or false. First subdivision, the mode is always one of the number in a data. Yes, we are finding the mode from the given data only. We are choosing from the given data so that the mode is one among the given data. Therefore, the solution is true. Next, second subdivision, the mean is one of the numbers in a data. No, the mean will be different from the given data, so that the mean is one among the numbers in a data is false. Next, third subdivision, the median is always one of the numbers in a data. Yes, we are choosing the median from the given data so that it is one among them. Therefore, the statement is true. Next, fourth subdivision, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has a mean 9. To check, we are finding the mean, and we got 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9 whole divided by 8, which is equal to 64 by 8, which is equal to 8. But in a statement it was given as 9, so that the statement was false. On conclusion, in today's class we had started exercise 3.2 and we had completed that. In this exercise 3.2, we had seen two important concepts. The first one is median. So the formula for median when number of observation is odd is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Next, we had seen about mode. Mode is the number that occurs most often. Now I am attaching the homework question. You just do by your own. Thank you, children.